everyone, welcome to the capital gain channel. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate to you a forex mobile strategy that is an all-level forex strategy, which means even if you are a complete beginner, you can also use this strategy because it is a simple yet profitable mobile forex strategy. So for this strategy we are going to need three indicators, that is the Bollinger Band, the MACD, and one moving average. So please, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe so that you don't miss our future videos. So let me go on to install our indicators. So the first indicator that we are going to need is the MACD, and we are going to set it to default setting. Then we press done. So we now have our MACD. Now we are also going to use a Bollinger Band, but please note that we are going to insert the Bollinger Band where it's written indicator window 1. So just press this and indicator icon. Then for our Bollinger Band, we are going to use period 200 and the deviation is 1:500. So just press done. So as you can see, we now have our Bollinger Band as well as our MACD. So our last indicator that we are going to need is the moving average, that is also applied on the first indicator window. So for our moving average, we are going to use a period 4 method exponential. Then it should be applied to close. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We now have our indicators that we are going to need for this strategy. So for this strategy, now going on to the rules. Rule number 1 is we use this forex strategy on the 15-minute time frame. Then on instruments, you can test it on a demo account using various instruments, but this works surely on almost all instruments, but you need to test it before you go on to open a or to use it on a real account. So for our entry rules, first rule, the moving up the MACD should touch or cross above the upper Bollinger Band. When we say the upper Bollinger Band, as you can see, this green line that is on top, this is the upper Bollinger Band, and although this one is not relevant in this video, but this is the middle Bollinger Band, and then the lower Bollinger Band. So I'm going to refer them as the lower and upper Bollinger Band. So first of all, we need the this red line to touch the upper green line, that is the upper Bollinger Band, or even cross above. As you can see, like in this case, it crossed above. So once it crossed above, we now look for the moving average, that is the blue line, to cross below the red line facing downwards, like in this case. So first of all, we need the red line to touch the upper for our buy entry, to touch the upper line, then wait until the blue line crosses the red line facing down, then we enter our sell. So this would have been our sell entry. As you can see, this was going to be a sniper entry, and we would have harvested all these profits. Then for a buy entry, it is now the opposite of a sell entry. We need the red line to touch the lower Bollinger Band, and then wait for the moving average, that is the blue line, to touch to cross the red line facing upward, like in this case. It happened here. Then you could see that we could have exited, or could have entered our trade here. This could have been our entry, and as you can see, price went all the way up. So like in this case, now we have our sell entry. The Bollinger Band touched the MACD touched the upper Bollinger Band and also crossed here. So as you can see, our entry somewhere here, then all the way down the market goes. Let me look for another example. And it also happened here. The Bollinger Band, the MACD and the Bollinger Band got in touch here, and also we have our moving average crossover here. And then the market also went all the way up. So as you can see, guys, this is a very simple yet profitable strategy. Again, in this case, the red line touched the upper Bollinger Band here, and then we can also see a moving average crossover here. And then price started consolidating. As you can see in this case, price started consolidating. And also you should take note that a consolidating market is a good sign that the market is about to reverse. So in this case, you could have entered here, or you could have waited until the moving average was now facing a downward. As you can see, it faced down here. Then this one would have been your entry point, and then market went all the way down, up again. But as you can see that the market even went down, further down. So so this is the strategy, guys. A very simple yet profitable strategy. You can back test it on your demo account. And also please note that as capital gains, we do have a free forex trading beginner course that you can enroll on our website and start learning online. Our website, that is forextrading.capitalgains.co.zw. I will leave the links in the description below, as well as the brokers that we use and recommend. I will leave the links in the description below. So again, back to this strategy. As you can see, the red line attached the lower Bollinger Band here, and also we have a moving average crossover here, and then our nice entry all the way up, all the way up. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, so that you don't miss our future videos, because our mission is capital gains is to spread our beliefs in conservative trading, as well as giving you financial market insights. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much.